Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how and why do we apply a script on a pivot widget in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. For applying a script on a pivot widget, we will first of all click on the pivot component in the widget panel. And then we will keep the type as the table. The data set here I'll be selecting as sales.ds. Now, once I select the data set, you'll see the data set columns appearing like this. And now I'll be dragging and dropping the country column in rows. You can select other columns also as per your own requirement or suitability. Then I will drag and drop the month column into the column section. Now, once I do this, then I will drag and drop the price each column into the values like this. Now, once I drag and drop price each, now there is a small dialog box which will open up. So the name I will keep as price each over here, and display name also I will keep as price each, and type I will select as sum instead of count. Now, once I do this, I will click on this check option. Now I'll go to this settings icon in the country column, and here I will check the script option, and in the script expression I will copy and paste the script that I have with me. So I'll select this, I'll copy this and paste it over here like this, and I'll click on the check option here. Now once I do this, I'll click on preview and save and exit. And you'll see that here we have a pivot widget ready in the dashboard on which we just now applied the script. Now, why we applied this script and what is the purpose of applying this script, that I will be explaining later in the same video. Now we will create a new tab. So I'll click on this plus icon and give the name event to the new tab and click on create tab. And in this new tab event, I will create the table widget. So I'll click on the table component in the widget panel, and the data set again I will select as sales.ds. And now you can see the data set columns have appeared. So I will select these columns and I'll click on preview and save and exit. So you'll see that we have a table widget also ready over here in the dashboard. Now I'll be creating a filter. So I'll click on the top right corner of the dashboard where the filter icon is there. Then I'll click on the plus icon and I will give the name country to the filter and click on the check option. Now here in the event, I will select on change instead of on click. After this, I'll go to the settings icon next to event. Now all these options I will keep as default. I will not make any changes to these options. Now I'll go to link filters and widgets. Layer, I'll select layer 1. Now tab, now since this is event tab, so tab I'll select as event tab, and widget will be table widget 1. Since this is the table widget 1 is the widget which is there in the event tab. And the column which I have to link will be country. So the country is the column which I have linked with table widget 1. Now I'll go to filter view and I'll click on this plus icon over here and I'll do save and exit. So you can see that the filter widget we have successfully created. So now I'll save my work in the dashboard and I'll click on the preview option. Once I click on the preview option, so I'll show you that once I'm clicking on this country Australia in the pivot widget which I created in tab 1, let me click. You can see that we are being redirected to the table widget where you can see the data for that particular country, and in the filter also we have Australia. So if you click on the filter button, you can see the data for Australia. Same way, if I click on say Belgium, you'll be able to see the data only for Belgium in the table widget 1, which was created in another tab named event, and the filter also has the same country. Same way, if I click on France, you'll see the data for France being appeared in the table widget in the next tab and also appearing in the filter. So same way, if I see for New Zealand, again you can see the data getting appeared in the another tab like this for the New Zealand and also in the filter. So this was the purpose of applying the script on this pivot widget, and because we applied the script on this pivot widget, we are able to click on one of the countries and we are being redirected to another tab which we have named event, and the data for that particular country which we clicked on pivot widget is getting appeared in the next tab in the table widget and also in the filter. So this is how we can apply the script on a pivot widget, and this is why we apply a script on a pivot widget, and this is the purpose of applying the script on the pivot widget to view the data in the next tab. So I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the below section. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.